Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a front audio port not working in Windows 10 or 11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here is go on search and just write Realtek audio console, right? And then you should see similar window like I'm seeing here right now. And the next step, what you need to do here is to simply go to device advanced settings. And the first option will be basically disable front panel jack detection. So what you need to do here is to turn on that option here. And then you start your computer and the problem should be fixed. Right, so yeah guys, that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.